What's up, y'all? Supreme Cooking back with a Supreme video. Today I have for y'all barbecue charboiled chicken. I use chicken thighs. You can use anything you want. As you can see, it looks great, so let's get right into it. First, you want to thoroughly wash the chicken. You can use apple cider vinegar. There's multiple ways you can wash it, but I just like to wash mine multiple times to get all the impurities out. Next, place the chicken on the pan to prepare for seasoning. But don't worry, there's no need to pre-oil the chicken or the pan because it's not going to stick. The naturally occurring oil in the chicken is going to keep it moist throughout the cooking process. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees prior to seasoning the chicken. Now it's time to season it with your favorite seasonings. I'm using black pepper, garlic powder, powdered onion, parsley flakes, and I just want to quickly remind you guys it's better to pat the chicken dry before you start seasoning it, as the seasoning is going to hold better onto the dry chicken. Now we can flip it over and season the other side. I don't have a specific method for seasoning each side, but now I'm going to start putting Creole seasoning on it. You can find this in just about any store, Costco, Shoppers, and it's real nice. It gives it a nice foreign taste and complements the barbecue. You want to keep the chicken skin side up because during the cooking process, it's going to keep the chicken moist. I personally like a little spice, so I add a little ginger and pepper flakes to it. Personally, if I had something spicier, I would use that instead of this. Now that the chicken's finished, you can put it in the oven and let it bake for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take the chicken out and look how beautiful that looks. Now we can flip the chicken and put it back in the oven for 15 more minutes. I read somewhere that if you pour out the excess liquid, it helps the barbecue later on, so you guys can try that as well. Oh, there goes my favorite barbecue sauce. And I add just about a cup of barbecue sauce to about a tablespoon of jelly, a spoonful of jelly. Now I'm gonna add my can of oil. I made this can of oil on the magic butter machine. I have a video for that coming out soon. You know, I like it so far. I have a review coming for it soon, but I'm gonna just add, you can add as much as you want. I add about this much. I wasn't really pressed to make it for a crowd, it was just more for my family. So I didn't make it too potent, but you can change the variable however you like. Now you can add the sauce to the chicken, and I just pour it on top and then spread it. You can put it on however you like with a brush or whatever you do. It's just, I just want to put the chicken on, to be honest. Now you can preheat the oven to 425 degrees, and once it's done, place the chicken inside and let it stay in there for 10 minutes. Oh mama, look at that chicken. Flip the chicken over, and now you can place it back in the oven for 10 more minutes. Just want to show y'all what it looks like after each step. As you can see, it's almost finished. Finally, the last step. Broil the chicken on the top rack for 2 minutes. And there you have it, finally finished. This took me about an hour to make, super easy, and it looks great, tastes great. And there you go, barbecue charboiled chicken from scratch. I hope y'all love this recipe. Stay tuned for more great recipes at Supreme Cooking. And we got a lot more videos in store. Supreme Cooking out. Have a great day.